Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this DBrand skin and it's about installation to the iPhone X. Well, as you can see, purchase it, we knew you would, delivered it, you are welcome, apply, there's only one correct way. Okay, DBrand, we've got Twitter, etc, etc. It's not a product, it's a culture. Oh yeah, nice. Well, this is the skin that it will cover my iPhone X, and let's find out how easy is the installation. First of all, we need to clean it very well. And that it will help us to apply better. Now we've got the we have the logo from Apple, we've got the camera lens, we have the vibration mode, the volume up and volume down, the customization button, you can put whatever is suitable for you, the Siri, Facebook, whatever, and the extraction SIM slot here. We've got the charging slot, we've got the microphone, the speaker, and of course, and the screws that you can take out. You can disassemble your iPhone. Well, let's move on to the installation. Let me say, and for me, it's the first time that I'm installing a DBrand skin to an iPhone. Definitely it will help us. The lens that is correctly the size that we need. Okay. Well, I think we are okay. Just push it a little bit into the corners and it will form right in this position that you need. Well, I think we are okay. We have just slight problems into the corners. You can see here. Doesn't fit well. I don't think so. I have made a wrong installation. Everything is the right position. The only thing it is in the corner problems. Please leave a comment down below if you have any suggestion about that. Well, of course, you can fix this problem maybe with a case. If you manage to install it without taking it out from the corners. Oh. Here it is. Well, again, it's red from the outside. Of course, it's your choice how you want your iPhone X. That's nice. Well guys, that was all about the installation of the DBrand for the iPhone X. Thank you again for watching this video. Like my video is your choice. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it. And definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.